Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now. Hi everybody, Chris Perillo here, and I happen to ask my friends who run the official Microsoft Windows account over on Twitter, that is at Windows on twitter.com, what the more commonly asked questions happen to be, at least the questions fired at them by way of other users on Twitter. And one of them happened to be, how do I get access to email on Windows 7? Well, Windows 7 doesn't ship with the tried and true Outlook Express. If you were looking for it, you may be looking in futility. Now, of course, you could use any online email service by way of your web browser, but if you're specifically looking for the desktop client for email in Windows 7, you're still going to need to go to the web. And if you're still interested in Microsoft's email client and you loved Outlook Express, you may also like Windows Live Mail. It's available right now for free as a part of the entire Windows Live experience, including Windows Live Movie Maker. If you're looking for that, that's also part of the package. Head over to live.com and look specifically for that pack if it hasn't already been linked to you in somewhere in your start menu. You're looking for Windows Live Mail. Download it right now, and yes, it is recommended. Once you download it, you can install it and then start connecting your accounts just like you did with, well, let's see here. I remember, this is how long I've been online. I remember Internet Mail and News. That was the first graphical email client that Microsoft released, at least to consumers. MSIMN, I think, is how you may even still be able to launch into Internet Mail. I'm sorry. Windows Live Mail by using that command, but it was MSIMN, Internet Mail and News, back, and this is like Windows 3.11 days, like so long ago. And of course, they went from Internet Mail and News all the way up to Outlook Express, and now that's evolved into Windows Live Mail. You can download it right now. I certainly recommend it, as well as the other software that's available as a part of the Live suite of software that Microsoft's giving you free. It's not going to cost you anything. So if someone says, hey, you have to spend money to download the email client, don't listen to them. Windows Live Mail is free, easy to use, and really kind of beautiful. And I gotta say, I'm a big email user. I still love using email on the desktop, and if I didn't think that it wasn't looking pretty, I'd probably recommend another email client for all of you Windows users who are looking for Outlook Express and looking. But it's not in Windows 7. You gotta get Internet Mail and News. I mean, Windows Live Mail. Believe it or not, I am that old to remember that. Does anybody else remember? Is it just me? Talking to the invisible people here in my home office. Download it right now, as well as the other Windows Live software, if you're so inclined. Live.com. You can also follow the official Microsoft Windows account on Twitter. If you're not, you should, because they're constantly posting tips and tricks and updates and video links like this, possibly, if it passes muster. I don't know. They sent me the list of commonly asked questions, maybe in the hopes I was going to record this video for some of the people that kept asking these questions. And I'm happy to answer the questions. Believe it or not, I am. I'm a software junkie. That's how I can remember what the email program was way back when. I've been using Windows that long, believe it or not. They're at Windows on Twitter. I'm at Chris Perillo. You can also email me if you're not on Twitter, chris@perillo.com. I have a blog, chris.perillo.com. In fact, you can also get the Windows Live Writer, which would allow you to create a blog and write directly from the Windows desktop to your blog. That's another part of the live software experience that Microsoft has provided for you for free. Yeah, for free. Just download it now, specifically if you're using Windows 7. Hopefully you're using Windows 7. I'm saying that as a professional geek. That is my title. I know you may call me something else, but you can call me Chris. I have a chat room that is full of geeks, other people like myself, and we are typically geeking out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at live.perillo.com. We'll see you later.